Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error 1310 error writing to file when try installing your program in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser or whatever browser that is present in your Windows or computer. That's good to go. Okay. So here you need to copy the link which I'll be including at the description box below, so copy and paste it here at the Windows search bar and press enter. The moment you have the press in it, you would be able to be redirected in this NIR soft website, where here you need to scroll down and look for an option or link where you can download such. Okay. So if you're using a 32-bit computer, proceed with the first link. And if you're using with a 64-bit, proceed with the second. Okay. So just have to go either of these two. So mostly laptop have 64-bit. So I as well has the 64-bit. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not, proceed without downloading. It will only take less than a minute to download so. Okay? Once you're done, close this window and proceed with the File Explorer and locate it in your File Explorer. So simply go with this PC, double tap to it, go with your users, double tap, go with the current user account that is being logged in, go with downloads, and you'll be able to see the application that you have added. Double tap to it, and here you need to proceed with the application. Double tap once again, and this would appear. So here under the program to run, you need to type cmd.exe. Once you have typed it, proceed on this run as and go with trusted installer. Click on run. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open this window, where here you need to type two commands. The first is this icacls space c colon backward slash windows backward slash system 32 backward slash en dash us space forward slash grant space administrators colon f. Once done, click on enter and proceed by typing icacls space c colon backward slash windows backward slash system 32 backward slash en dash us space forward slash grant space open quotation mark uppercase NT space authority backward slash system close quotation mark then colon then F. Once done, close this window and try to run the program that you want to install here in your Windows or computer. Okay? So check if your problem has been fixed. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.